Sophie, something very strange has happened to my video game overnight last night. What do you mean something strange happened to your game? What exactly changed? Yesterday I was on level 7. This morning I woke up and I am on level 3. Level 3? How did you go backwards from level 7 to level 3 overnight? Exactly! And someone used all my special coins that I collected for 2 whole weeks. Max, who else in this house even knows how to turn your game console on? Sophie, I think I know exactly who did this, and I am going to prove it completely. Max, I think I know too.
Everyone is completely asleep. Perfect. Absolutely perfect timing tonight. Just one little game. Nobody will ever know anything.
Questmaster! I have been curious about this game for weeks. This is actually incredibly fun. Why did nobody tell me about this before?
Just one more level. Just one more after this one.
Oh no! Where did all my coins go just now? How do I get back to level 7 from here?
Someone is awake up there. This is very bad. This never happened. This absolutely never happened tonight.
This cannot be right at all. What is wrong? You look like you just witnessed something truly terrible on that screen. 2 weeks of game progress completely gone overnight. All my special coins completely gone too. Could you have accidentally deleted your own save file somehow while playing yesterday afternoon? I have never accidentally deleted anything in my entire gaming life. Not even once ever. Then who else could have possibly touched your game console while you were sleeping last night? Max, that whistling seems suspiciously cheerful for a Monday morning. Sophie, Dad never whistles on Monday mornings. Never in our entire lives has he done that. Max, we need to investigate this situation very carefully before we make any accusations today. I have never accidentally deleted anything in my entire gaming life. Not even once ever. Then who else could have possibly touched your game console while you were sleeping last night? Okay, first piece of evidence. The game was on level 7 when I went to bed. And this morning it was on level 3. With all your special coins completely gone. Second piece of evidence. The TV remote is on the wrong side of the couch entirely. Dad always puts the remote on the left side, but this morning it is on the right side. Third piece of evidence, there is a half-eaten bag of chips behind the couch cushion. Dad is the only person in this house who eats chips secretly behind couch cushions, always. Fourth piece of evidence, I found Dad's reading glasses sitting next to my game controller. Max, those reading glasses are extremely compelling evidence indeed. Sophie, the case is completely and totally closed. Dad played my game secretly last night. Max, we have 4 very strong pieces of evidence pointing directly and completely at Dad. Sophie, it is time to confront our suspect very calmly and very professionally about this. Max, please remember to stay calm and not make this into a bigger situation than necessary. Good morning, Dad. How did you sleep?
Slept wonderfully. Best sleep I have had in many years, actually.
Really, Dad? You did not wake up at all during the night?
Not even once. Slept like an absolute log from the moment my head hit the pillow.
That is very interesting, Dad, because something very strange happened in the living room last night.
Oh, really? How strange. What kind of strange thing happened exactly?
My video game went backwards from level 7 all the way to level 3 overnight somehow.
How very mysterious. Games are so unpredictable sometimes, are they not?
We also found your reading glasses sitting right next to my game controller this morning, Dad.
My reading glasses, you say? Right next to your controller?
We also found some chips hidden behind the couch cushion this morning, Dad. Very interesting chips.
Chips! How did those get there? What a complete mystery indeed.
Right next to the controller, Dad. Exactly where someone would leave them while playing a
I can explain absolutely everything completely.
Dad, we already know it was you. We have 4 separate pieces of evidence against you.
4 pieces of evidence. That is very thorough investigating from 2 young people, I must say.
Dad, did you secretly play Max's video game in the middle of the night last night?
I may have gone downstairs for a very small and totally insignificant amount of gaming time.
Dad, you went from level 7 to level 3. You lost 2 weeks of my progress.
The game is significantly more challenging than I initially anticipated when I first started playing it.
Mike, how long were you down there playing last night exactly?
Approximately 2.5 hours, give or take a few minutes here or there.
Dad! 2.5 hours? On a school night? While I was sleeping upstairs?
In my defense, Questmaster is an extraordinarily compelling and deeply engaging gaming experience, Max. Max, I owe you a very sincere and genuine apology for what I did last night.
Dad, you lost 2 weeks of my game progress while secretly playing without asking me first.
I know, and I am genuinely and completely sorry for doing that without your permission, son.
Dad, why did you not just ask Max if you could try the game properly?
Because I thought you would both laugh at me for wanting to play it.
Dad, we would not have laughed at you for wanting to play my game at all. We would have taught you how to play it properly so you did not lose everything, Dad.
I realize now that sneaking around was completely the wrong approach to this whole situation entirely.
Dad, next time just ask me, and I will gladly show you how to play properly.
I would genuinely appreciate that very much, Max. I really, truly would appreciate that a lot.
And Mike, next time you want to play video games at midnight, please ask me too.
Honey, were you actually awake last night when all of this was happening downstairs?
Mike, I heard you fall off that cliff 17 times. The whole house heard it, honestly.